Hi guys, welcome. I'm back on You Know What I Am. So this is working now as well. And I'd like to have gitfiend on Ubuntu. So if, well, 95% is probably already in order, everything works and the main applications are there. Everything that I need is there. Spotify has changed a little bit. You'll find in the scripts. No snap for me, straight from spotify.com install. The thing I'd like to install is gitfiend. Gitfiend is an application that's interesting to watch locally. If you go to a GitHub like this, at this point in time I said let's gitkraken do that. So gitkraken is a big application. It takes a while to load up. Now we got this squid coming along, and there we go, right? So we can follow what I've done. Pulse mixer is new, play control is new on our ArcoLinux Nemesis script, all on Ubuntu. Can I get gitfiend? Good question. Control Alt Super D, for example, and then Brave is still very much untouched. I'd like to have gitfiend. Yeah, I'm skipping a few things in the sense that there is something called Super D software, right? There must be software App Center here and software here. So yes, there are other GUIs. Do have a look, but I don't think it was available. So I'm gonna go straight to this thing, gitfiend, and have a look. So download for Linux, all downloads. Do you happen to have a dep file? They do, right? They do. So click, download, save. There it is already. And then we go to the file, right? So a few things are already here. This is a double. So let's get rid of some things. All things that are nice, but not needed in this video. Okay. So we open a terminal here and we say sudo apt install this gitfiend thing. And now we have gitfiend. Is it different as gitkraken? Yes, it's quite different. So they couldn't access apt etc. or the night. Okay, I don't think that's a problem. But how can we access it now, right? Close all, gitfiend. Well, you can run it, of course. So gitfiend and up, there we are. Well, what is nice is that we have this right mouse click. So right mouse click, open with gitkraken. If I just could say open with gitfiend, right? So I'm actually teaching something about XFCE. Any XFCE on any Linux, right? Eric H, Control H, config, Thunar, capital T, don't know why, but there you go. And we want to access a file with Brave, good idea. So I have to tell them, don't do that. Open, set default application, Sublime Text is the one, open. And down here, somewhere, I got gitkraken. So this bunch is making sure that the right mouse click has gitkraken. What if I copy paste this thing, Control C, put it in here, Control V, and go start changing. So gitfind, if there is an icon for it, cool. Some text. This is opening it with gitfind, find, whatever. This is a unique number, so it's not unique now. It is now, right? 2. And gitkraken is gitfiend, open with, description, gitfiend. If you get something, the description is of course not important. That's it. Save. Now in order to test it, all Thunars need to be killed. All Thunars need to be killed means Thunar -Q. Kill anything Thunar, even if nothing is open. You still need to run that, because once you've opened it's somewhere in your memory, right? Now it's gone. Then you open up Thunar again, You go to Control H, the data, ArcoLinux Nemesis, right mouse click, there you are, gitfiend, and there I am. Same information, but as you see, gitfiend is a little bit more responsive than our little gitkraken friend, and both have their reason for existence. Cheers.